Hello everyone, welcome back to PLC Automation. In the past video we have designed this HMI and we have connected these buttons to the global variables, and in today's video we are going to design our mode selection screen. This is also a very important part of the machine for mode selection and validation. We will do this using our function block, and we connect the global variables to the buttons we are designing on our mode selection screen. So to do that, first of all, we close this screen. We go to here, but before doing that, let's go to mode selection, and we are going to make it a little smaller, and we bring it here. Okay, I think I cannot make it more. Maybe yes. Okay. All right. So which tags do we have? I will put it like here. So one button for CMD Auto. Okay. And I will copy paste the same button. So I go to properties and I make sure it's a little come on. We have to bring it manually, no problem. Yes, okay. So we go to design, I think, of the layout. We take like 100 or 120. Should be enough, and we tap it. Yes, to make it more visible, right? So this should be our automatic, and we make one more. We just make a copy of the same button and manual, and we make another copy of the same button. We make it maintenance. And also we are going to connect indicators for these buttons. When the automatic is connected, we are going to say okay, automatic mode selected. Let's make it a little better. All right. We just make the color to green, or we keep it white. Which color? At the moment we are putting it black. And we will select it. or maintenance mode selected, and then we are also going to add some indicators like a valid mode, we take it something else here, or we make a copy of that, the same, and we bring it here, mode selection valid, okay, and now we are also going to add some safety, safety is okay, safety, okay. No false no false presence or no false activate. Okay, so we are going to connect our manual mode. We press this button and the inward bit. CMD automatic, and the second one CMD manual, and the CMD maintenance. Okay, and now we also change the color, so appearance, and the CMD auto mode is activated. We change the color of this button into green, and from manual mode and also to green. The last one, maintenance. Okay, now this is automatic mode. We go to appearance and we are going to also to green. The 0, the 1, the green, and this is the maintenance mode. also the green mode selection valid. Okay, safety. It's red and green. Yeah, okay. And when there is no fault, we'll turn it to green. Which one? Yeah, this is general faults. Okay, so at this we can also turn on the flashing light. Fault. I think we have safety. Okay, I think we have. Okay. Green. All right. So we are going to make it a little more. All right. Mm-hmm. And now okay. Let's test it. Mode selection. Okay, so at this moment, automatic mode is selected. The mode selection is valid and safety is okay. But instead of this, only the safety is okay. I will select the manual mode. Yes, okay. And then now, alright. But this color, when it's flashing, we are going to change it in another color because it's very annoying. We change it to this one, and also this one. Okay. Alright, and now we are going to test once again to see. Alright, yeah, now it's much better. We can see. Okay, so now the safety is okay, and automatic mode is okay. For example, if I'm here, I will go to the mode selection, I will press automatic, and I will go to back, and I will see the automatic mode is green. I can start my mixer, right? But if I go here and I will choose the manual mode and I will go here, I cannot start my machine because if the manual mode is selected, so I can control it only manually, right? Not automatically. So this was this was our today's video. And in the upcoming video, we are going to design our safety screen and also the manual control screen, maintenance screen, alarm screen, and the overview screen. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you have enjoyed and learned something from this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.